Xtz cost could take off as high as $1.98 toward the finish of 2023. Tezos cost with a potential flood could go as high as $11.15 toward the finish of 2030. Tezos' street to fame was not a simple one, given the difficulties. The coin has quick made strides. In addition, the organization likewise flaunts an energy-productive calculation, which is likewise adaptable. The local resource of the Tezos organization Xtz has been under due thought of financial backers and dealers. Xtz has previously been recorded including up and over 10 crypto trades in only 2 years of its origin. Could it be said that you are thinking about Xtz for your portfolio, however stressed over its profits? Follow this review till the finish to be aware of it, as we investigate Xtz and give you a point-by-point cost gauge for 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Xtz Crypto Value Expectation 2023. A deluge of new clients coming from coordinated efforts and receptions, coming about because of the organization's assets, like institutional-grade security, administration, energy-productive calculation, versatility, and shrewd agreements, could push the cost to more noteworthy levels. Continuously 2023. Outstanding development is profoundly expected because of inbound turn of events and reception. In the most ideal case, Xtz might trade exchanges at a greatest cost of $1.98 toward the finish of 2023. The cost should drop to a base expense of 92 cents in the event that the bears rule the market. With normal trade pressures, the resource is expected to exchange at $1.45. Xtz Coin Value Forecast 2024. In view of Tezos' layered design and unequivocal redesign process, the organization can be prepared to give and consolidate new cutting-edge innovations after they become attainable. This might help the coin's ubiquity before long. Depending on its remarkable highlights, Tezos is expected to get the particular most minimal and greatest costs in 2024. As indicated by its central review, the most extreme and least levels are normal at $3.06 and $1.86 individually. Additionally, exchanging costs are projected to be $2.46 all things considered. Tezos Value Expectation 2025. Tezos experts and crypto fans are hopeful that Tezos costs will continue to ascend from now on, assuming the client base of the organization advances rapidly at an amazing speed. The organization would likewise warmly greet greater names in the business. In such a case, the cost of Xtz could drive to a limit of $4.14. On the other side, ebbing unmistakable quality and stiffer contest among opponents could wreck the cost to at least $2.95. All things considered, compelled by the direct direction of value, the altcoin could settle at $3.55. What is Tezos? Tezos is a blockchain network connected to a computerized token called a Tez or a Tez. Tezos are not in light of the mining of Tez. All things considered, token holders get a prize for partaking in the verification of stake agreement component. The expression Tezos is an old Greek word for savvy contracts according to the engineers. The stage is extraordinary as it has worked from its underlying foundations to give a preferable administration process over Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Tezos has its local token, Xtz, which could be utilized for holding, sending, baking, or spending. Likewise, clients could utilize the token to decide on network reconciliations. Key investigation Arthur Breitman created Tezos. Tezos, likewise alluded to as Xtz, is a coin that is a multi-reason stage that upholds DApps and brilliant agreements. Arthur Breitman arranged the white paper on the brilliant agreement stage. The white paper ready for Tezos' organization was planned to empower a superior administration process. Beforehand, Arthur Breitman and his significant other Kathleen Breitman sent off a beginning up known as unique record arrangements that capabilities by making a calculation that would set up the Tezos convention. Strangely, the tech firm was gained by the Tezos establishment. The stage's principal objective is to consolidate a self-rectifying convention and unfasten administration to oversee network changes. Also, the altcoin utilizes a signed confirmation of stake and upholds Turing-complete shrewd agreements. At long last, it would be worth focusing on that Tezos emitted into the crypto land by gathering $232 million in their record-breaking ICO. Tezos' expectation as the Tezos establishment keeps on acquiring fame, so will the quantity of Xtz holders. According to figured out Tezos cost forecast, the Tezos establishment will assume a significant part in future cost development. Tezos positively can possibly fill in esteem throughout the following quite a while. In progression, the cost of Xtz could hit a limit of $1.98 toward the finish of 2023, while rising opponents in negative analysis could attract down the cost to 92 cents. Standard trading tensions could settle the cost at $1.45. Notable market feelings 2017 with the finish of its ICO in July. Tezos required a couple of months to get recorded on famous trades. By October 2017, it was first recorded on a significant trade. Not long after the tokens hit trades, the cost promptly flooded to multiple times its 51 cents ICO cost. Further, until mid-November 2017, the XTZ coin cost was drifting somewhere in the range of $1.50 and $2.50. At the finish of 2017, XTZ's cost quickly picked up speed on trades, spiking to as high as $12.19. 2018 further in 2018. Other than a short development of $6 on Jan 3rd, the XTZ coin's cost experienced an extraordinary misfortune, arriving at the exchanging worth of $2. Later, the cost was seen drifting between $2 to $3 until June. Yet, as the bears hit hard, the cost slanted down to $1.65 in the mid of June, and the negative stage went on till the finish of 2018, with the exchanging esteem beneath 47 cents. 2019 Tezos kept on exchanging at 48 cents by mid-2019. However, the computerized resource left on a downtrend until the beginning of May. Following an upswing, the cost of XTZ came to $1.65 by the mid of May. After long stretches of swings, XTZ's cost moved back to $1.70 in December. Before the year's over, XTZ was seen exchanging at $1.35. 2020 from a low cost of around $1.25 in January. XTZ moved consistently to a record in ATH of $3.60 in late February. However, in spring, XTZ experienced a sharp cost plunge, wherefore, XTZ was seen exchanging at $1.25 by mid-walk. By the start of the Q2, the altcoin started to ascend until it confronted solid obstruction at $3 during May. Consecutively, on a bullish note, the cost spiked decisively to $4.28 by mid-August, yet further plunged to $3.34 toward August's end, due to the development of Bitcoin's cost rally. XTZ figured out how to exchange at $2.50 toward November's end. Closing the year, XTZ's cost dropped back to $2. 2021 on a confident note, the coin began to emphatically speed up. By the mid of walk, the cost had outperformed $5 and kept on revitalizing up to $8 till May. Howbeit, after the market slump, the cost plunged back to $2.30 on the 22nd of July. The cost took an illustrative action to secure an ATH of $9.18 on the 4th of October. However, as bears assumed control over the rule, the cost went through a lofty tumble to around $4.75. 2022 The computerized resource had started its exchange for 2022, with its cost at $4.35. Strife in its cost direction pushed the value down to $3.79. By the 10th of January, coherence in the downtrend further took the cost to $2.55. By the 24th of January, from that point, an upswing took the cost around 81.83% higher to $4.60. By the 9th of February, however, choppiness in the business coming about because of international tussles and took care of tightening pushed the value down to $2.93 by February 24th, after a transient advantage to $3.53.